thanks to SalonCentric for making this possible.
Hi my friends, today's lesson is all about taking a rectangle section on top of a bob. We want to move the hair back and away from the face this season. So we're going to start by taking a horizontal slice in the front. We're going to establish a guide to the lip area. Once we've determined that, elevate vertically, and we're going to point cut into the section, deep into each section. So we're going to work with a 7-inch signature series shear. Now, every section we take, we're going to over direct to the previous section. This is going to create a subtle amount of length moving back towards the crown area. Section number 2 is elevated. You can see how it's over directed to the previous section. We're going to fold the comb and look for our guide underneath as we elevate. Once we establish the guide, come back in and deep point cut into each section. This is going to give us a very soft edge in order for that hair to move back and away from the face. Notice how we'll take our previous section, take that slice as your guide, elevate vertically straight up, over direct to that previous section, and now once again, point cut deeply into, releasing the length to the guide. Another horizontal section. Maintain control by taking the previous slice, elevate. Notice how the comb was underneath while we elevate, ensuring we elevate straight up. Now the entire crown area will be compressed, over directing that to our last previous section and compressing and cutting that all at once to create a softer edge in that crown area. Now we've established the hair moving back and away from the face, a trend happening this season with our bobs. Now what we want to do is we want to add a piece of Velcro to the back of a comb. We're going to use that to back comb, and that's going to give us just a soft, frothy texture, working with the 7-inch to back comb each section. So we're going to back cut the section with a 7-inch. Watch how we'll take a horizontal slice using the back of the comb with the Velcro, the rough edge of a Velcro, and coming in and back cutting. This is going to give us the details of a nice frothy volume. Coming back in, point cutting just to check the balance, and you can see the texture and the movement and the frothiness we're going to get when we move that hair back and away. Something happening this season, real soft and easy technique to work with.